Welcome back. Now this is the integration. Okay, now for this let's do one thing. Let's substitute. We can substitute u equals to a minus log x to the base e whole part, or we can substitute only this part. Why I have to substitute this part? Because if I differentiate this, I'll be getting what? This term into 1 by x. Okay, let's see how it works. Now let's substitute. Now we need to find value of a. A means what? Here we have a. Okay, constant a. So let's substitute u equals to log of x to the base e raised to 3 by 2. Now let's differentiate this. Du equals to what? 3 by 2. X raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Log of x to the base e, 3 by 2 minus 1 is what? Half. Into, okay, dy dx of log x to the base e is what? 1 by x into dx. So what we have is, so let's send this. So what we have is what? We can send this du by 3 to, I'm sending this down, okay, 3 down, 2 up is equals to what? Log of x to the base e half upon x dx. Meaning we have all these as a 2 by 3 du. Okay, we need to change the limit. Okay, when x tends to 1, then when x tends to 1, then u tends to what? Log 1 is what? 0. Okay, so 0 raised to anything is become a 0, as well as when x tends to e. So log e to the base e is 1. 1 raised to anything is become 1. Okay, therefore u tends to 1. Therefore this integral become what? 1 to e become 0 to 1. 0 to 1. All these become what? 2 by, so I can send 2 by 3 outside. Since it is constant, I have du upon here a minus this. Okay, this is what u square. So 2 by 3 we have, this is same as we can bring up a minus u raised to minus 2 du. So this is what our, this is what left hand side. Okay, this is our left hand side. Right hand side is what we have is 1. Okay, so this is what? 0 to 1. 2 by 3. Let's integrate this. This is what? A minus u raised to minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1 upon, okay, upon minus 1 into, okay, this we need to differentiate this with respect to u. Here we will get minus 1 over here, and then limit is what? Limit is from 0 to 1. So this minus and minus gets cancelled. So we have 2 by 3, 1 upon a minus u. I can write like this. This minus gets cancelled. 2 by 3 we have. Let's substitute from 0 to 1. 1 upon a minus 1 here. Upper limit minus lower limit is what? Instead of u is 0 here, a. Now let's take LCM. This is same as 2 by 3. It become what? A minus a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1. These two gets cancelled. What we have is equals to 2 by 3, 1 upon a into a minus 1. This is what? This is our left hand side. Okay, this is our left hand side. So left hand side is we have with this. Okay, on right hand side what we have? 1. Okay, therefore for this is same as 1. Okay, so let's cross multiply this. Here 2 equals to 3 3 into a minus 1 is equals to 3a square minus 3a. So is implies 3a square minus 3a minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, this is what? This is quadratic in A. Okay. So, remember we have quadratic equations of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Its values of A is what? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon twice A. Therefore, let's apply over here. So, what is A? What A equals to here 3, b equals to minus 3, c equals to what? Minus 2. Now, let's apply this formula over here. So, what we'll get is values of A equals to minus b, minus plus 3 plus minus b square is 3 is 9 minus 4, A is 3, c is minus 2 upon twice A is what? 3 is equals to 3 plus minus. Here 4 3 is 12, 12 into 2 is what? 24, 24 here plus 24 plus 9 is 33 upon 3 to 6. So the the values of A is this. Okay. So this is the values of A.